Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can enable stickers on your TikTok comments. So first of all, remember that for you to allow comment stickers on TikTok should be automatically allowed. There is no such option that you can enable for stickers. But in the case, if you do not have the option to comment stickers on TikTok, what you need to do is you need to ensure that your TikTok application is up to date. So go ahead and open your App Store on your device or Play Store if you're using Android. Then search for TikTok application and open it. If you see an update button instead of open, go ahead and update it to its latest and newest version available. Well, after that, what you need to do is make sure that you've given all the permissions to TikTok. So go to your settings application. From here, go to general. From here on the left hand side, you need to scroll all the way down and go to privacy and security. Then after, again scroll down. Then after, scroll down and make sure that the microphone, camera, and media is accessible for TikTok. Make sure that the toggle is turned on beside the TikTok application. And if it still does not work, you need to go ahead and open the general section. Then after, go to iPad storage. Scroll down and select TikTok. From here, offload the application and reinstall it on your device. If not, you can also try deleting or uninstalling the TikTok application from your device completely, and then after reinstall it using App Store or Play Store according to your device. You can also try restarting your entire device and then relaunch TikTok or log out of your specific account and log back in. To log out, you can go to your profile, click on the three lines in the top right, then go to settings, scroll all the way down and select log out. After following these steps, you should see the feature to comment stickers on TikTok. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.